Grabbing measurements are more precise and faster with DWG FastView Plus. With the Rapid Measurement tool, you can get vertical and horizontal measurements whether you have enough space and clearance for large items like rooms and big areas. If you want to extract linear and area measurement data from your drawing, you can use the Record Measurement tool. The Measure Record window pop-ups, which means you are ready to apply Linear or Area Measure tool. Apply the Linear Measurement tool as you need to grab measurement data into the Measure Record window. You can also apply the Area Measurement tool to grab its final result. From the Measure Record window, press the Export to Excel button. All the record data will be exported into Excel spreadsheet. Now you can measure and extract accurate data so easy and faster with Rapid and Record Measure tools.